Looking for a sprayer that handles tough cleaning jobs? Meet the Chapin 2075 Disinfectant Bleach Sprayer. First reason to buy, it's fully compatible with bleach. No more worrying about seals breaking down from chemicals. Spray bleach, fungicides, or disinfectants with total confidence. Second reason, the adjustable cone nozzle is a game changer. Switch easily between a fine mist and a direct stream. Tackle big surfaces or target those hard-to-reach spots. You get precision and control for every cleaning task. Third reason, it's made in the USA for lasting durability. This sprayer is built tough for repeated, heavy-duty use. Perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and cleaning pros alike. The translucent tank makes it easy to see your liquid level. No more guessing when it's time for a refill. The 1-gallon capacity means fewer trips back and forth. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry around your property. The ergonomic handle reduces hand fatigue during long jobs. Manual compression sprayer gives you full control of pressure. Great for patios, lawns, gardens, and even indoor spaces. Professional-grade performance right at your fingertips. Chemical-resistant seals stand up to harsh cleaning agents. No leaks, no mess, just reliable spraying every time. The 52-inch reach lets you cover more area with less effort. Clean decks, driveways, siding, and more with ease. Disinfect high-touch surfaces quickly and efficiently. Gardeners love it for applying fungicides and treatments. Homeowners use it for mold remediation and deep cleaning. Cleaning professionals trust it for commercial jobs. The adjustable nozzle means you can customize your spray. From gentle misting to powerful streams, it does it all. No need for multiple sprayers, this one does the job. Save time and money with a single, versatile tool. Easy to assemble, fill, and clean after every use. The wide mouth opening makes pouring liquids spill-free. Sturdy base keeps the sprayer stable during filling. Translucent white tank looks clean and professional. Proudly made in the USA with quality materials. Over a century of American manufacturing excellence. Trust Chapin for reliability and performance every time. Don't settle for flimsy, unreliable sprayers. Upgrade to a sprayer that's built to last. Perfect for disinfecting schools, offices, and public spaces. Keep your home and garden safe and healthy. Fight germs, mold, and pests with one powerful tool. Quickly sanitize outdoor furniture, tools, and equipment. Use it for car detailing, garage cleaning, and more. The Chapin 2075 is your all-in-one cleaning solution. No batteries or cords, just pump and spray. Take it anywhere, use it anytime you need. Easy storage with a compact, space-saving design. Great for both indoor and outdoor applications, a must-have for every cleaning arsenal. Impress your clients with professional-grade results. Keep your family safe with thorough disinfection. Effortlessly maintain a spotless home and garden. Stop wasting time with ineffective tools. Experience the difference of Chapin quality today. Ready to upgrade your cleaning routine? Click the link to order your Chapin 2075 now. Join thousands of satisfied users across the country. See why cleaning professionals trust Chapin sprayers. Don't wait, supplies are moving fast. Take control of your cleaning and disinfecting tasks. Enjoy peace of mind with a reliable USA-made sprayer. Perfect for every season and every cleaning challenge. Transform the way you clean, disinfect, and protect. Order now and experience the Chapin difference. Your home, garden, and workspace deserve the best. Act now. Make the Chapin 2075 your go-to sprayer. Click, buy, and spray your way to a cleaner tomorrow. Don't miss out. Get yours today and spray with confidence. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.